Welcome you back all in my channel RV Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss Math First Class 11 first topic angle and moment, and we define angle as, how will you define the angle as? Or the figure is formed by the meeting of two rays at a common end point is called as an angle. See here, figure formed by two rays meeting at common end point is called as an angle. See here how it is formed. Suppose this is one of the ray OA. Here is another ray OB. And these two rays OA and OB meet at this common point O. This O is called as vertex. This OA is called as initial arm. Here this figure is an angle and OA and OB are called as arms of the angle. Then OA is what? Initial arm, and OB is terminal arm. OA is fixed. The arm which is fixed is called as a initial arm, and the arm which can move in clockwise sense or in anti-clockwise sense. If this arm moves like this direction is called as a anti-clockwise, and if this arm moves in this way, then it is clockwise. So this OA is known as a initial arm and OB is known as a terminal arm, and by meeting of these two arm or by the rays at common point, the figure is formed known as a angle, and it is denoted by this symbol, and it is measured in degrees by using protractor. कोण मापकाच्या सहाय्याने आपण त्याचे काय करतो? मेजर करतो तो अँगल. So we can also convert it into the another form as a radian. So this is all about angle. Now if this ray, terminal ray, rotate in this direction is anti-clockwise. If this ray rotate in anti-clockwise direction, then the angle form, this angle form is taken as a positive angle. This angle is known as a directed angle, and it has a positive angle. And this terminal arm rotate in clockwise sense in this way. This is called as clockwise direction. If this arm rotate in clockwise direction, then the angle form taken as a negative. This angle is taken as a negative, this angle is taken as a positive. So this is the positive angle and this is the negative angle. If the terminal ray or terminal arm rotate in anti-clockwise direction, then the angle form is taken as a positive angle, and if the terminal ray rotate in clockwise direction, then the angle form is taken as a negative angle. So after this, let us see types of the angle. First type of the angle is zero angle. First one of the type is given in your textbook, zero angle. How will you indicate this zero angle? See here, suppose OA is the initial rays and OB is a terminal rays. For directed angle AOB, the ray OA and OB are same. Here OA and OB rays are the same, then we say that it is a zero angle. This is ray OA and here is ray OB. OA and OB are the same rays, and if there is no rotation, if there is a zero rotation, then we say that it is a zero angle. Now second type is one rotation angle. One rotation angle, for directed angle AOB, terminal arm complete one complete rotation in the anti-clockwise direction. See here, this is the initial arm and terminal arm complete one rotation. Then this angle is a one rotation angle and its measure is 360 degree. If it rotates in anti-clockwise sense, then we take angle as a positive, therefore its measure is 360 degree. And if you draw like this, and if terminal ray rotate in clockwise sense, then in this way, then this angle is equal to minus, we write as minus 360 degree. Means it completes one rotation, terminal arm complete one rotation in anti-clockwise sense and it coincide with OA, then the angle form is a one rotation angle. त्यावेळेस angle कोणता फॉर्म होतो? One rotation angle form. Straight angle. In the straight angle, direct angle AOB is said to be straight angle when OA and OB are in opposite direction. OA and OB हे रेज जर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन मध्ये असतील तर या ठिकाणी फॉर्म होणारा अँगल इज इक्वल टू काय असतो? इट इज इक्वल टू द स्ट्रेट अँगल and its measure is equal to 180 degree, always straight angle. And if when it is negative, when the terminal ray moves in this way, clockwise sense, then the angle is negative and write as minus 180 degree. Or it is called as half rotation angle. It also called as half rotation angle or a straight angle. Right angle, 1/4 rotation of the angle is a right angle. See here, 1/4 rotation. How will you show? This is a 1/4 rotation and its measure is 90 degree, and if you this angle measure is minus 90 degree. It moves in clockwise sense. Here this moves in anti-clockwise sense, and in anti-clockwise sense angle is positive and clockwise sense angle is negative. So this angle is a right angle. Our next point, angles in standard position. When we say that the angles in standard position, if the vertex of directed angle is at origin, जर त्या कोनाचा डायरेक्टेड अँगलचा वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन असेल and it lies in initial and its initial arm lies along the positive x axis आणि त्याचा इनिशियल आर्म पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिस वर जर असेल तर आपण त्या अँगलला अँगल्स इन स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन असं म्हणतो. सी हियर, this is x axis, O is the vertex. If vertex lies on the origin, here O is the vertex lies on the origin, and its initial arm lies on positive x axis. This initial arm lies on positive x axis. Then this angle, this directed angle XOP is a angle in standard position, or we can draw another angle as initial arm lies on positive x axis and this angle, this is Q, XOQ, this angle XOQ is a directed angle and it is in standard position. We cannot say angle POQ in standard position because its initial arm does not lie on x axis. When we say the angle in standard position, if vertex of the angle is at origin and its initial arm lies always on positive x axis, then we say that it is in standard position. Next side, angle in quadrant. कशाला म्हणायचं? Angles in quadrant. A direct angle is said to be angle in quadrant if its terminal arm lies in first, second or fourth quadrant. Terminal arm जर first quadrant मध्ये असेल, terminal arm जर second quadrant मध्ये असेल, terminal arm ही जर third quadrant मध्ये असेल, terminal arm ही जर fourth quadrant मध्ये असेल, तर आपण काय म्हणतो? They are quadrant, angles in the quadrant. So how will you show? Let us see. This is x axis, this is y axis, and we have to show this angle. A direct angle is said to be quadrant angle if terminal arm lies in first, second or third quadrant. This is terminal arm lies in first quadrant. This angle alpha 1, this is a directed angle, so it is a angles in quadrant. Or if we can show this angle like this in clockwise sense, then this is as alpha 2. This angle is also a angle in quadrant. Or this angle alpha 3 is angle in quadrant. So alpha 1 lies in first quadrant, alpha 2 lies in second quadrant, alpha 3 lies in fourth quadrant. Then we say that these angles are in quadrant. हे angle कशामध्ये? Quadrant मध्ये angles. Directed angle lies along any coordinate axis, then it is called as quadrantal angle. See here, how will you show quadrantal angle? This is origin, x axis, y axis, quadrantal arm, quadrantal angle if terminal arm of the directed angle. Suppose we have taken this directed angle. This is the initial arm OX and OY is terminal arm. Terminal arm lies on y-axis, and this is a quadrantal angle. Or if you take this angle in clockwise sense, then this angle XOX dash is a quadrantal angle. Or if you take this XOY, this angle is also a quadrantal angle because terminal arm lies on this quadrant axis. So this is called as a quadrantal angle. And another type is coterminal angle. Coterminal angle, when we say the angles are coterminal, two directed angles are coterminal. When we say the angles are coterminal, if we place one angle to another, एका अँगल वर दुसरा अँगल जर आपण प्लेस केला तर त्याची इनिशियल आर्मशी कोइन्साइड झाली पाहिजे आणि टर्मिनल आर्मशी कोइन्साइड झाली पाहिजे, तरच आपण त्या अँगलला काय म्हणतो, कोटर्मिनल अँगल. किंवा त्या अँगलचा जो डिफरन्स हे इंटिग्रल मल्टिपल ऑफ 360 असेल तरच आपण त्यांना काय म्हणतो. सी हियर which type of angles are coterminal angles. If theta 1 and theta 2 are the angles, another definition is there. If theta 1 is one of the angle, another is theta 2. If the difference between these two angles is integral multiple of 360, then we say that they are the coterminal angle. Or initial arm coincide with initial arm, or terminal arm coincide with terminal arm, then we say that it is a, suppose this is angle 40 degree and this total angle is equal to, this total angle is equal to 400. Theta 1 is 400 and theta is 40 degree. If we take this difference, 400 minus 40 degree is equal to 360. We can write as 1 into 360, integral multiple of 360. Then we say that the angle are the coterminal, means 40 and 40 degree, 440 degree. These are the coterminal angle.